Section 8, the Anti-Scammer Mindset, Knowledge is Your Shield. Let's take everything we've learned and bring it together. Because the truth is, scammers can copy certificates, fake packaging, and manipulate prices. But they can't fake knowledge. Being an anti-scammer diamond buyer doesn't start at the jewelry store, it starts in your mind. When you understand how diamonds are graded, how markets work, and how psychology drives sales, you instantly become harder to fool. Think of it like armor. Every fact you learn about the 4CS, every time you verify a lab report, every question you ask, that's another layer of protection. Before you buy, remind yourself, sparkles if I can't verify it, I don't buy it. Sparkles if it sounds too good to be true, it's not for me. Sparkles if it's not in writing, it doesn't exist. Those 3 simple rules have saved more wallets than any magnifying glass ever could. Section 9, the Anti-Scammer Diamond Buyer's Checklist. Now, let's turn this knowledge into action. Here's your quick but powerful checklist, what every smart diamond buyer should do before saying yes. 1. Research the 4CS. Carat, cut, color, clarity. Learn what matters most to you, not just what's expensive. 2. Verify certificates. Only trust GIA, AGS, IGI, HRD, or GCAL. Check the report number online and confirm the laser inscription. 3. Inspect before you pay. Ask to view the diamond under magnification. Look for inclusions that match the report. 4. Demand transparency. Ask if it's natural or lab-grown, and if it's been treated. Have the seller put that in writing. 5. Buy from reputable sources. Jewelers with physical stores, long-standing reputations, and clear return policies. 6. Use safe payment methods. Credit card or PayPal only. Avoid cash, crypto, or wire transfers. 7. Get an independent appraisal. Before finalizing, visit a third-party gemologist, one who doesn't sell diamonds. 8. Protect your records. Keep photos, receipts, and emails. They're your proof in case of dispute. Follow this list, and you're already in the top 5% of informed diamond buyers worldwide. That can't be stolen. And that brings us to the final lesson. Diamonds can be faked, swapped, or stolen, but the real diamond is the knowledge inside your mind. Scammers can't touch that. Every time you learn something new, every time you warn a friend, every time you choose honesty over hype, you polish that inner gem a little more. So be that person, the one who shines brighter than the scam. The one who buys smart, shares knowledge, and helps others see clearly in a world full of glittering illusions. Because when you know what you're worth, no one can sell you a lie. Sparkles, outro. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like, share it with anyone thinking about buying a diamond, and subscribe to Gemstone Academy for more deep dives into the world of gems, ethics, and beauty. Stay smart. Stay curious. And as always, let your knowledge shine brighter than the stone itself.